You are first responders to disasters and frontliners in community development. Pati kapakanan ng mga PWD ay nasa inyong mandato. Maliban na lang doon siguro sa isang klase na PWD, ang person without jowa. Nagkaroon. Matagal ko nang tinatago yung joke na yun. Gusto mo na. But does a broken heart qualify as a disability? I have to ask the legal opinion first of the First Lady. Seriously, these people must have access ramps to government services. Huwag tayong bingi at bulag sa kanilang mga hinay.